Hey, welcome back. Third chapter of this unboxing series. These are the AirMotive T0 Plus. These would be my surround sound towers. Um, same, same configuration as the other speakers in the system with the ribbon tweeter and everything like that. Only difference is that this has a smaller bass driver and a it's kind of there's two speakers. The top one is focused on vocals and mids, and the second one is focused on bass and lower frequencies. So let's go ahead and open this up. These are my surround side speakers, not the backs. The backs unboxing is just coming pretty soon. Also, I want to thank you guys for, hitting up the comments about all these things. Double box as usual. And I'm gonna have to flip this thing over to get into the box. These come as a pair, so you can't get them separate. Flip this box over. I already see that already. Alright, what we got in the box? Same old user manual. Styrofoam. And there goes the two speakers. They're not this tall. I guess they're standing on some padding to protect it, but it would have been nice if they were that tall. Cause I kind of have like a little plant that might be blocking the speakers, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna flip it over and get back to you guys. All right, they're out and they're upside down. Pretty light. They're really snug in there, and they're pretty light speakers. As expected, there's only two 5-inch drivers in them. But be careful, there are some stuff located under some styrofoam in the box, so you don't want to just throw away the box. These are the feet, the spike feet. And I think, yeah, for the carpet. All right, let's go ahead and unravel these things. They're in this kind of cloth. It's not, I don't know what kind of material it is, but I'm not really digging it. I'd rather they use the same cloth that they use on the amplifiers and stuff. This is a different type of cloth. I guess because they don't expect you to have the speaker for that long compared to like an amplifier or a receiver. So they put less effort into this material, or unless this material is more accessible for them to just put on their speakers. Alright, so let's unravel these bad boys. Like I said before, these are my surround speakers. So not really gonna be put to use like that, even though they're gonna be on a 200-watt amp. Let me turn it over. Little grill. is at the top. That's the ribbon tweeter and 2 drivers I was talking about. It can be bi-amped. Oh, it can. I'm sorry. That's a T1s. I'm sorry. This one is not bi-amped or bi-wired. T1s are. So that's basically it. Sorry for the parakeet in the background. Probably hungry. And that's it. These are the T0s. And surround speakers. Alright, next unboxing coming soon. Peace.